Alright, just explaining inputs. So as I said before, you've got three basic inputs into the system, which would be your power, which is already connected up and it will come connected up. The airflow sensor, which is the white, and the water flow, which is the yellow. Now, if the system is started and it detects that there is no airflow, this is just a normally open contact, it would go into alarm and turn off the system and go back into idle mode. The system won't be able to restart until proper airflow is detected. With the scrubber, once the scrubber button is pressed, it will look for a water flow, which would be a normally open contact connected with your common and your yellow. If it does not detect water, once again it would switch off the system and display an error message. That error message will remain until reset is pressed and system can restart. Inside the airflow sensor, there's basically three connections, and the white and black would just connect to those two.